Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So, okay. Titration, the process of determining the concentration of unknown solution by titrating with standard solution. Titrations are of following types. Simple titration. Simple titration means use of one indicator only. Double titration
Yes,
means
sir.
use of two indicators. Back
Yes, sir.
titration, iodimetry, okay. Iodimetry means titration with direct iodine. I will show you why direct iodine. And iodometry means titration with indirect iodine. Indirect. Okay. Anyhow, when the topic will come, you will come to know what it is. Now there are some type of indicators, children. This type of indicators, okay. First, you have to know the name of indicators, their colors in acidic medium and basic medium, and then their range, and after that why they are working in that particular range, that is a different question. I will explain that also, that why they are under this range only. Okay, why they are in this range only, because indicators are very weak acid, organic acid, or very weak organic base. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that is something related with ionization constant, okay, and equilibrium phenomena. So I will explain that also, that why they are working in that particular range. But at this time, you have to know how many types of indicators are there, and what is their range, and what are their colors. It is little bit difficult to remember the colors, okay, but try to understand and you have to learn it. At least
Okay, sir.
these three: methyl orange, litmus, and phenolphthalein. The phenolphthalein range is 8 to 9, means it works under basic medium, and methyl orange works in acidic medium. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Sir,
right.
once repeat second one.
This is types of indicators. There are 9 types of indicators. First, you learn the names: methyl orange, okay, bromophenol blue, methyl red, litmus,
Ye- Yes, sir.
bromothymol blue. These are indicators name, and these names will be throughout your lifespan. Okay, they will not change. So once you learn it, it will be useful throughout the life. Phenol red, phenolphthalein, thymol blue, thymolphthalein.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, their range, slowly you, when you are going to use it, you will learn the range also and color also.
Okay, sir.
yes, sir.
Phenolphthalein is very nice. In acidic medium there are colorless, and in basic medium there are pink in color. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
now here I have shown indicator will show the end point. End point means when suppose you are doing this, this is known as titration arrangement, children. This is conical flask, this is stand, this is burette. Okay, slowly you have to drop, okay, the basic solution in this particular solution whose volume is known to you, but normality is not known to you. Normality you don't know. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so we will keep as N1 and V1. Volume is known.
Yes, sir.
Suppose volume is 10 milliliter. Okay,
Yes, sir.
see, like this. What was the question to given to you? Okay, suppose normality is not known to you, volume is known. Then you have added some solution. Then And how much you have added? Suppose its normality is known to you, 0.1 normality, N2. And its volume was 20 milliliter, right? Okay, and this is the end point. Now you stop the reaction. Then you use this formula. N1V1 is equal to N2V2. This is only the titration process. Now,
Yes, sir.
now out of this, see, this value is known to you. This value is known to
Yes,
you.
sir.
This value is known to you. This value is known to you. Only this value is not known. So you can use this formula. N1V1 is equal to N2V2. And you can easily calculate the N value. Right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So you can calculate N value like this equation. You can calculate normality by using this equation. You can calculate number of equivalent by this equation. You can
Yes,
use
sir.
number of equivalent by this equation. And you
Yes,
can
sir.
calculate number of equivalent by this equation.
Yes, sir.
So many equations are there. Right?
Yes, sir.
So now there is a question for you. 40 milliliter. See, whenever we write n by 10, this is the stylish word, children. N by 10 is nothing. It is 1 by 10. Okay? N by 10 means normality is equal to 1 by 10. With this much information is written in shortcut. Instead of writing normality equal to 1 by 10, they write n by 10. Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And 60 milliliter of n by 20 normality of KOH solution mixed. Now tell me the normality of the salt formed. Can you tell me? What they have mixed? HCl. HCl and
KOH.
KOH gives you what?
KCl
And
plus
water.
H2O.
We know that 1 mole reacts with 1 mole of KOH. And
Yes,
you
sir.
know X factor is 1.
Yes, sir.
X factor is 1. So we can say that 1 equivalent reacts with 1 equivalent. And it will give you 1 equivalent, right?
Yes, sir.
So now tell me what are the equivalents used for HCl? What are the equivalent used for HCl? 40 into 1 by 10.
Yes, sir.
40 milliliter means
By 1000.
40,000 into what is the normality?
1 by 10.
1 by 10 is reacting with what is the next KOH?
60 by 1000.
60 by 1000 into what is the normality?
1 by 20.
1 by 20. Now what is the KCl formed over here? So we have to calculate it. How much it is?
Sir, that one is 4 into 10
This
to the
one and
minus
this one is cancelled.
4 into
4
10 to
into
the
10
minus
to the
3.
power minus 3.
Yes, sir.
And this is
3 into 10 to the minus 3.
3 into 10 to the power minus 3. This is equivalents. These are equivalents. Now, 1 equivalent required 1 equivalent. So 3 equivalent will require 3 equivalent. This is excess, children.
Yes, excess reagent.
This is excess. So this is the limiting reagent. Right?
Yes, sir.
Limiting reagent I taught you. So
Yes, sir.
the salt will be formed according to limiting reagent. 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 equivalents are formed for salt.
Yes, sir.
Now you have to calculate the normality.
Yes, sir.
Normality is equal to number of equivalent by volume.
Yes,
Right?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So normality is equal to, tell me the equivalents. 3 into 10 to the
minus
power
3.
minus 3 by what is the volume of the solution? What is the volume of the
100
solution?
by
100.
1000.
100.
100 by 1000.
40
100 by
milliliter
1000.
here, 60 milliliter here. Mixed means 100 milliliter. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it is in milliliter. Convert into liter.
In 2000.
Into 1000. 10 to the
2000.
10 to the 3. Cancel.
Now you cancel it. So what will be the normality? This and this
0.03.
cancel. So
0.03.
0.03 is equivalent per liter is the normality. Any option is there?
Fourth option.
Yes, sir. Option 4.
Fourth
Option
option.
4.
Did you understand, children? This is the answer,
Yes, sir.
correct answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
In this way, we have to use. And please join in the study hour. There we will discuss the remaining titration also, right?
Yes, sir.
Every titration, same type of equation will be used. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we are ending class now only, okay? Because now we don't have much time, right?
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye.
I
Bye.
want super 30.
Bye,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Super 30, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.